In this video, I'll show you how you can print an email thread in Gmail. So what you first need to do is open up Gmail on a web browser. So I'm inside of my Gmail account here. You can see this is just a test account, which seems to be only getting emails from James Jordan. But what you need to do is find the email thread. So I'm going to go to sent, and I have one email thread here, which I'm going to download or print. So we can click on that email thread. And what you want to do is go right to the top of it. I do realize an email thread can contain thousands of emails, and you can print all of these. So if you go to this icon in the top right hand corner, it will be the printer icon, but make sure it says print all. If you click on that, it will then open the email. And here, if you have multiple pages and multiple emails, you'll see them all in different pages. Here, where it says destination, make sure you've got your printer plugged in. Then just go ahead and click on your printer. Make sure that all of these settings are correct. And then you can click save or print, and that will then print your email thread.